how you can use ChatGPT and make money online as a beginner, step-by-step guide. Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. First of all, you may wonder, what is ChatGPT? As you can see here, I am already on their website, so you just have to type in on Google ChatGPT. I will show you right now how you can do it. Just like this, and then go to openai.com, and here you have it, OpenAI. Then you have to click on try ChatGPT. So now if you don't have an account, you can make one. You can either log in by using your Google account, or you can just add your email, your phone number for verification, and from there you can start making money with ChatGPT. As you can see, this is the interface. If you click here, we can start a conversation with ChatGPT. If you want to make a new chat, just click on the left top corner and you can start a new chat. So ChatGPT is a AI bot which you can make a conversation with. You can ask it all sorts of topics, and it's not only in English. You can ask it in any language you want. Like if you are from Spain, you can ask your question, and then at the end of it you have to type in Spanish, just like this. And now the more important subject that I think you all are waiting for is how you can make money online with ChatGPT, and what you can do if you are a beginner that looks for a way of how to make money online. But before that, please don't forget to like this video if you think it was useful. You can also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, and comment down below with your questions, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. I already posted another video of how you can make money online. It is another method, so make sure to check on that if you want interested. The method for this video of how you can make money with ChatGPT and how can make your life easier and can help you save your time is creating a blog or a YouTube channel. The first step is going on GPT, which we already did, and type in a subject that you like. It doesn't matter. So we can write, what are the top 10 most popular smartphones? Enter. So they are saying that their knowledge is cut off 2021, but here are their top 10 most popular smartphones from the late 2021, so make sure to keep that in mind. Now we can say, write me an article for each of them. So it's saying that it's a quite large task. After that, we can ask it, can you write a blog article for the first 3? And here we have our article with the first 3 smartphone brands that we asked before. And you may wonder how we can use it and make money with it. Well, first of all, the first step is copying all the whole answer. Just copy it. Then go to a Word. Then paste all of it here into your Word. Just like this. Add a photo for each of them. And then you can add this whole article into your blog. And first you have to make sure that is no plagiarism. For that, there are tons of sites who can help you with that. So if you already have a blog, you can take this article and place it there, and you can make money with it. When someone will search for an iPhone or Samsung or Google Pixel, then your article has a lot of chances to appear on Google, and from that you will earn money with it. But if you don't have a blog, you can make YouTube videos out of it. Create a YouTube channel, then you can do a YouTube video with this whole article. So if you don't have any ideas of what you can say, if you are an introvert and your words are not coming so easily, then ChatGPT can help you with that. You can just read this article and make your YouTube video very easily and professionally. You can create tons of subjects with ChatGPT, and it will help you save your time and make money online with your blog or with your YouTube channel, because you can ask ChatGPT all sorts of subjects. You can create ebooks. You can create an entire book by using ChatGPT and then sell it and make money with it. But this topic, this method, it's for another video that is coming soon, so make sure to check that. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified once I will post another video, another idea of how you can make money with ChatGPT. Also, if you think this video was useful, you can like it, you can comment in the comment section down below your thoughts about this method, your questions, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out if you have some problem, and I will help you out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.